The trek starts from Pantwari village. The hike begins at the end of motorable road till where we reach by car. Beginning on a well-defined cemented path, we'll find our way to a rocky trail. You will find 2-3 water points on this way, the first of which comes after 15 minutes in the trek, a reservoir of stream water. Fill your water bottles from here and move ahead. 30 minutes into the trek, you'll come across a cluster of thatched roof huts, a small village on the cliffs lined with terrace farmland. During the harvest season, you will find these stretches in a wave of different shades in green and yellow. The locality of Pantwari can be seen lying down far below. Nag Tibba is one of the best weekend treks that can be commenced by beginners as well as experienced trekker. Nag Tibba is a perfect place for camping during spring and summers and one of the most suitable trek for winters when most of the treks are closed due to heavy snow. Due to its easy access, it is one of the most popular weekend treks in India. Starting from Pantwari, a quiet hamlet in the vicinity of Dehradun, Mussoorie, the trek begins up a rocky ascent and after a couple of hours on the trail, enters the grove of oaks. In the warmer times on this path, you will be greeted with summer blossom and greenery. The trek goes up to Nag Tibba base, marked by a temple dedicated to the serpent god, and from there to Nag Tibba top. Nag Tibba means Serpent's Peak. It is the highest peak in lower Himalayas of Garhwal region near Mussoorie. It also gives a name to Nag Tibba range, which is one of the 3 ranges of Lesser Himalaya. The other ranges are Dhauladhar and Pir Panjal. Before reaching the ridge connecting the Pantwari side of hills with Nag Tibba, you will come across Goat Village, an interesting ecotourism resort. If we talk about mythology about Nag Tibba, then the first name Nag refers to snake and Tibba refers to peak or hill in the local language. According to religious beliefs of the local populace, Nag Tibba is the abode of Nag Devta, a Hindu mythological character that is worshipped by devotees. Local villagers come here to offer their prayers to Nag Devta for the protection of their cattle. There are basically 3 routes for Nag Tibba. The route 1 goes from Devalsari village, route 2 from Pantwari village, and third one goes from Antar via Thatur. The Pantwari village route is the most used route for trekkers to Nag Tibba. Pantwari village is 50 kilometers by road from Mussoorie and around 85 kilometers from Dehradun. It is one of the shortest route to reach Nag Tibba, just 8 kilometers from Pantwari village, though the route is a little complicated and it requires a guide. So if I talk about my itinerary to Nag Tibba, so day 1 we travelled from Dehradun to Pantwari village and we trekked to Nag Tibba temple, and day 2 from Nag Tibba temple we went to Nag Tibba top and returned to the base camp, and on day 3 we trekked down to Pantwari village and drove back to Dehradun. So basically, who all can go on this trek? So first timers can apply, should have some interest in trekking and mountaineering. Climber must be fit and have sufficient stamina to cover 5 km of distance in around 50 minutes without distress. You should be able to carry a 8 kg backpack. If we talk about difficulty level of Nag Tibba trek, then I would say that it is an easy moderate. It is the perfect weekend trek for beginners families. The maximum altitude of trek is 9,914 feet and terrain is gradual except for few steep sections. So if you are thinking about a short hike near to Delhi or Dehradun, then Nag Tibba is almost a certain choice. Nag Tibba in local Garhwali means Serpent's Peak. This is the highest point in the region, which is locally called Mussoorie Range. Geographically, it is in the Lesser Himalayas range inside Uttarakhand. Nag Tibba top, standing at an impressive altitude of 3020 meter, offers surprisingly good view of snow-capped peaks straight to its north. Some easily recognized ones are Swaraj Rohini and Gangotri peaks, Kalanag, Bandarpuj and Srikantha. To reach the top, you will come across dense subalpine forest, sudden openings of sprawling meadows and some short ridge walks. Nag Tibba is located at an altitude of 3025 meters and attracts thousands of tourists every year. Nag Tibba offers majestic scenic beauty and a good trek for adventure lovers. Nag Tibba experiences an amazing weather throughout the year and is one of the best places to camp. Nag Tibba peak doesn't have any accommodation options and trekkers have to camp at Nag Tibba base camp to stay the night. Travelers usually bring their own camping equipments, but you can find a budget guest house at Pantwari depending on which trek route is taken. Also, there is no food stall or even a tea stall at this elevation, so trekkers usually bring their own food supplies. And if you're trekking with a group, it is advisable to find a local cook to travel with you so he can prepare a meal for you when you halt and set up the camp for the night. You can also carry some packaged food with you as a slight snack for the route. So that was all we had for Nag Tibba trek. If you have any more questions related to this trek, you can drop your questions in the comment box, and do subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet for the many more upcoming videos.